Welcome back. In news overseas, the U.S. is expected to send a Marine unit and more warships to the Middle East. Plans have not been confirmed, but the unit, which can carry an amphibious raids, is typically made up of about 5,000 Marines and sailors across several warships. Meanwhile, reports suggest Washington is considering an expanded range of options in its war against Iran. Earlier, U.S. President Donald Trump said Iran will be hit very hard over the next week, and U.S. Defense Secretary Pete Hegseth said Iran's new supreme leader is hiding, wounded, and likely disfigured. After boarding Air Force One for Palm Beach on Friday evening, Trump posted that the U.S. had totally obliterated every military target on Iran's Karg Island, but spared the oil infrastructure. Meanwhile, Iranian outlets published footage of officials attending pro-establishment rallies in Tehran to mark Quds Day, an annual pro-Palestinian event. Iran and Hezbollah carried out a joint attack on Israel, and Israel has also carried out waves of strikes. Earlier, the Israeli military dropped leaflets over Beirut, urging residents to rise up against the Iranian-backed armed group.